When plants were the rulers of Earth, imagine a world where trees towered over 100 feet tall, dragonflies had wingspans of 65 centimeters, and the oxygen levels were so high that even a simple spark could cause massive forest fires. This wasn't science fiction, this was Earth during the Carboniferous period, 359 to 299 million years ago. Beneath your feet lies evidence of an era when plants dominated our planet, creating the fossil fuels that power our modern world. During the Carboniferous period, Earth's atmosphere contained oxygen levels reaching up to 35%, nearly twice what we have today. This extraordinary oxygen-rich environment was created by vast forests of primitive plants that covered the Earth's landmasses. These ancient plants, through their remarkable photosynthetic abilities, fundamentally transformed our planet's atmosphere and climate. Let's explore this fascinating period when plants truly ruled the Earth. The rise of the forest giants. Lepidodendron, also known as scale trees, grew to heights of over 130 feet. These ancient relatives of club mosses reproduced through spores rather than seeds. Their bark patterns created distinctive diamond-shaped patterns that we can still see in fossils today. Unlike modern trees, they were hollow in the center and supported by an outer woody cylinder. The creation of coal. The Carboniferous period gets its name from the extensive coal deposits formed during this time. When these massive forests died, they didn't fully decompose due to the waterlogged swamp conditions. Layer upon layer of dead plant matter accumulated, eventually becoming compressed into coal. These coal deposits represent millions of years of stored solar energy. A world of giants. The oxygen-rich atmosphere allowed arthropods to grow to enormous sizes. Meganora, a prehistoric dragonfly, had a wingspan larger than today's seagulls. Arthropleura, a relative of modern millipedes, grew to lengths of 8.5 feet. The abundance of oxygen allowed insects to develop more efficient respiratory systems. The impact on Earth's climate. Plants removed massive amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. This dramatic decrease in CO2 led to global cooling and extensive glaciation. The planet experienced one of its most significant ice ages during this period. Temperature differences between equatorial and polar regions were more extreme than today. The forest ecosystem. The first modern forest ecosystems developed during this time. Different layers of vegetation created various ecological niches. The first seed-bearing plants evolved, revolutionizing plant reproduction. Complex relationships between plants and insects began to emerge. Global distribution. Vast swamps covered much of the tropical and subtropical regions. The arrangement of continents created perfect conditions for coal formation. Most coal deposits we mine today were formed during this period. The distribution of these forests influenced modern geography. The end of an era. Climate change and the evolution of wood decaying. Fungi marked the end of this period. New plant species evolved that were better adapted to changing conditions. The oxygen levels gradually decreased to near modern levels. The great coal swamps were replaced by more diverse ecosystems. Legacy of the plant rulers. The Carboniferous period shaped Earth's future in fundamental ways. The fossil fuels formed during this time powered the Industrial Revolution. Study of this period helps us understand climate change mechanisms. Many modern plants trace their lineage to Carboniferous ancestors. This remarkable period in Earth's history demonstrates the profound impact that plants can have on our planet's systems. The legacy of these ancient forests continues to influence our world today. From the coal that fueled industrial development to the oxygen we breathe, understanding this period of Earth's history is crucial for comprehending current environmental challenges. Just as ancient plants transformed the planet's atmosphere, modern plants play a vital role in maintaining Earth's delicate ecological balance. The story of Earth's plant rulers reminds us that seemingly small changes in atmospheric composition can have dramatic effects on global ecosystems. This knowledge becomes increasingly relevant as we face modern environmental challenges and consider the future of our planet.